Warning, this video contains very badly pronounced Malagasy words. Viewer discretion is advised.
We've spoken about the CNC Alliance and how to claim your CNC ALA tokens, so there's one thing left to do. It's time to finish off CNC January by learning about their first project they are supporting. Teti Casa Ala is a Malagasy and French non-profit organisation focused on forest restoration, community empowerment and soil regeneration in Madagascar. Did you know that Madagascar is one of the 10 net poorest countries in the world and has more than 1 million people without access to consistent and reliable food sources? I'm afraid the bad news doesn't stop there. In 2017, deforestation in Madagascar was nothing short of tragic, with 510,000 hectares destroyed in 1 year. This is a shocking disappearance of 3.8% of the forests in Madagascar, but Teti Casa Ala are looking to fight back. Founded in 2019, Teti Casa Ala are based in both Paris, France and Mboimanga in Madagascar, which is located next to the capital Antananarivo. Pretty sure I'm saying that wrong, let me know in the comments. Mboimanga is the first of 2 main regions where Teti Casa Ala operate. The other is further south in the Haute-Matsiatra region. Teti Casa Ala has nearly 250 beneficiaries of their work, with 200 of these being households that benefit indirectly. This highlights the knock-on effect their work is having and how supporting just a few small groups can grow and spread to support a wider community, a little bit like small Cardano staple operators. Teti Casa Ala's aim is to provide the local population with a self-sustainable means of getting the food they so desperately need, while also helping with reforestation efforts and regenerating the soil through a process of agroecology. What is agroecology? Well, it's a form of sustainable farming that works with nature instead of against it. Ecology is the study of the relationship between plants, animals, people and their environment and the balance between these relationships. Agroecology is taking these ecological concepts and principles and applying them to farming, making the whole system work better for everyone and everything involved. A great example of Teti Casa Ala's work is the setup of vermicomposting shelters. Vermicomposting is a natural process whereby earthworms convert waste material with rigid structures into compost. The compost produced in this green process is traditionally and popularly used as a natural fertilizer for enhancing plant growth. No nasty chemicals here. Teti Casa Ala are also helping communities become self-sustainable. Through educating the local population on agroecological techniques, they've become less reliant on Teti Casa Ala being there for the long term, and the organisation can then support other areas in dire need of consistent food supplies. So as we have said before, if you would like to support Teti Casa Ala's great work, all you need to do is delegate your ADA to a CNC Alliance stake pool. The donations are running until May, so you still have plenty of time. You can find a link to a list of pools in the description below. Also down there is a link if you'd like to donate your ADA directly. The ISPO has been running since November, and at the time of filming over 47,000 ADA has been donated, which allows Teti Casa Ala to plant over 6,000 trees and work over 9,000 hours to regenerate over 3.5 hectares of land. That's pretty amazing stuff, and all this without you having to lose your staking rewards. If you want to learn more about the amazing Cardano community, make sure you slap that subscribe button to catch our weekly videos. Want to learn more about the CNC Alliance? There's this video. And if you're ready to claim your CNC ALA tokens, we've got you covered here. Until next time, grab your paddle and head upstream.